Fellas, ever wonder why you're still in the friend zone? Why it feels like you're always the one putting in all the effort but never getting the results you want? Why you can't seem to lock down that high value woman, the one who seems to have it all together, the one you can't stop thinking about. You out here buying her flowers, doing her laundry, agreeing with every word she says. You're bending over backwards to make her happy. But where's it getting you? Listen up, kings, because it's time to stop simping and start living like the high value men you are. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stick around and I'll show you 8 ways you're simping without even knowing it. And these are the subtle, everyday actions that are keeping you stuck in the friend zone. We're gonna break down these bad habits step by step so you can level up your game and start attracting the queen you deserve. It's not about changing who you are, but about recognizing your worth and acting accordingly. Get ready for some real talk, some tough love, and maybe even a few laughs along the way, all set to some smooth beats to keep you motivated. We're going to dive deep into the psychology of attraction, the importance of self-respect, and how to build genuine connections that go beyond superficial gestures. So, if you're ready to transform your love life and stop wasting time on one-sided relationships, this is time to the she de me to is the start. Let's get into it. And remember, it's all about becoming the best version of yourself. Stay tuned, because by the end of this, you'll have the tools and the mindset to stop simping and start winning in the game of love. Let's go, kings. Let me break this down for you, gentlemen. And he's showering a woman with compliments, especially early on. It comes off as insincere and frankly a little desperate. Are you really blown away by her every move? Is she really the most beautiful creature you've ever laid eyes on? Save the compliments for when they truly matter, like when he's accomplished something significant or put real effort into her appearance. A well-placed, genuine compliment will take you much further than a constant stream of flattery. Remember, you want to be her man, not her hype man. Look, your time is valuable. You have goals, ambitions, and a life outside of chasing women. Don't be at her beck and call 24/7. A high-value man has his own schedule, his own priorities. If she asks you to hang out and you're genuinely busy, say so. Don't rearrange your entire life to fit her whims. Suggest another time that works for you. If she's truly interested, she'll make the effort. And a man with options doesn't drop everything the second a woman snaps her fingers. Fellas, let's be real. We live in a world where money often speaks louder than words, but you are not an ATM. Your value isn't measured by the depth of your pockets. You should not be financing a woman's lifestyle, especially not in the early stages of dating. It's important to set to set boundaries. Now, I'm not saying you should never treat a woman. Acts of kindness and generosity are important, but there's a difference between being a gentleman and being a walking, talking bank account. You need to find that balance. If you're constantly picking up the tab, buying her expensive gifts and funding her every whim, you're not winning her over. You're buying her presence. This isn't a sustainable way to build a relationship. A relationship built on financial transactions is fragile. You're setting yourself up for disappointment. A high-value woman wants to be with a man who can hold his own, who is confident and self-assured, not a man who throws money at every problem. True value comes from within, not from your wallet. Focus on building a connection based on mutual respect, shared values, and genuine affection. These are the foundations of a strong, lasting relationship. Money can come and go, but true connection is priceless. So put your wallet away and invest in what truly matters: your time, your attention, and your heart. That's what will make you a high-value man in the eyes of a high-value woman. Chapter 4, your needs matter. 2, look, I get it. You want to make her happy, but not at the expense of your own well-being. Putting her needs consistently above your own will lead to resentment and a whole lot of unfulfilled desires. And don't be afraid to set boundaries and prioritize your own physical, mental, and emotional health. If she's constantly demanding your time, energy and resources without reciprocating, it might be time to reevaluate the situation. A healthy relationship involves 2 individuals who value and respect each other's needs. Chapter 5, speak your mind. Let me tell you something, gentlemen. Women are attracted to strength, both physically and mentally. Constantly agreeing with everything she says, even when you disagree, makes you look weak and spineless. It shows a lack of confidence and a desperate need for approval. Don't be afraid to express your own opinions and beliefs, even if they differ from hers. A little healthy debate can be stimulating and shows that you're not afraid to challenge her intellectually. Remember, you're a king, not a yes man. Chapter 6, you're not her assistant. Look, there's a difference between being chivalrous and being a doormat. Doing her laundry, cleaning her apartment, and running errands like you're her personal assistant is not attractive. It's one thing to offer help occasionally, but if you find yourself constantly at her beck and call, doing things she's perfectly capable of doing herself, you need to set some boundaries. A high-value man has his own life and responsibilities, and he doesn't let himself be taken advantage of. Chapter 7. Put the phone down. Fellas, I can't stress this enough. Stop blowing up her phone. Constantly texting, calling, and liking all her social media posts reeks of desperation and neediness. Give her space to breathe, to miss you, to wonder what you're up to. Live your life. Pursue your passions and let her see that you're not sitting around waiting for her response. A man who is comfortable in his own skin doesn't need constant validation or attention. Chapter 8, respect yourself. Set boundaries. Listen up, gentlemen. This is crucial. You need to set boundaries in any relationship, especially with women. Boundaries show that you respect yourself and your time. They communicate what you will and will not tolerate. Don't be afraid to say no, to speak up for yourself, and to walk away from situations that compromise your values or make you feel uncomfortable. A man with standards commands respect and attracts women who are willing to meet those standards. Outro. So there you have it, gentlemen. We've covered a lot today, and it's all about making those small but significant changes in your life. 8 ways you might be unknowingly sabotaging your chances with women. These habits can be subtle, but they have a huge impact on how you're perceived. Remember, building a healthy, fulfilling relationship starts with self-respect and understanding your worth. Take time to reflect on your actions and mindset. It's not just about what you do, but also about how you think. Meditation and self-reflection can help you gain clarity and confidence. So stop simping, start valuing yourself, and watch how your interactions with women transform. Confidence is key, and it starts from within. Educate yourself. Read books, watch videos, and learn from those who have mastered the art of self-respect and confidence. You deserve a queen, but you need to act like a king to attract her. This means setting boundaries, having standards, and not settling for less. Physical fitness is also crucial. A healthy body leads to a healthy mind. Exercise regularly to boost your confidence and overall well-being. Now let's get that smooth background music going again to celebrate your next level. You've got this, and the journey is just beginning. So if you want to stop simping and start winning, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which one of these you're guilty of. Your journey to self-improvement starts now.